Good morning, and I hope that you are having an absolutely amazing day. Floyd Marshall, founder of A Conversation with Podcast, where I interview phenomenal people in the indie and Hollywood film space. So make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel because you may hear something that really helps you in your film business endeavors. But today I want to talk to you about making your film. New filmmakers, this is for you. Because oftentimes we make mistakes as new filmmakers and sometimes veteran filmmakers. So I want to come to you today and talk to you about the one thing that new filmmakers don't take into consideration when they're about to make their first film. And that is sound. So often, sound is one of the last things that new filmmakers think about. They're like, hey, I just want to shoot it. I just want to point that camera and let's go. And sound is an afterthought. And I am here to tell you, new filmmaker, but first of all, let's back up for a second. Congratulations on getting this thing done. You're about to embark on an amazing journey. It's going to be hard, but hey, kudos to you because you are doing something that a lot of people just talk about, but you are actually doing it. So kudos to you. Now, back to the topic of the day, sound. Sound is so important. I cannot stress that enough. So when you are about to make that first film, I hope you did everything in pre-production. I hope you have a phenomenal crew in place. If not, you may have to go back and get you a good sound person because they are going to be crucial to the success of your very first film. Why is that? Sound is 50% of your film. If you've ever sat and watched a film, you can watch a film with an okay DP as far as the picture is concerned, but if the sound is great, you're going to sit there and you're going to finish watching the movie. But hey, if you get a film with a great picture and bad sound, it takes you out of the experience. And that's what you don't want to happen when you have people sitting down in the theater that you've rented, watching your film and sitting there saying, did you hear that? That's the last thing that you want people to be saying. Did you hear that? And it's not something, as far as sound is concerned, is a part of your film. So as a new filmmaker, and I don't know if anybody's told you this, but if they have, great. If not, I'm telling you today, sound is king. Invest in your sound. You're a new filmmaker, so I know your budget is limited. I get it. But invest as much money in your sound as possible. Please don't hire your cousin with a boom mic and a couple of lavs. Invest in your sound because it is going to benefit you in the long run. Because new filmmaker, here's what I don't want to happen to you. I don't want you to wrap it up. Everything's in the can. You get it over to the other editor. Then you get a phone call and they say, hey, there's some things that we have to ADR. Now that may happen. Or they tell you that there are a lot of things that we have to fix in post as far as your sound is concerned, because what is then going to end up happening is that's going to be money out of your pocket. Now, that money that you are now having to put out is money that you could have invested in the sound in the beginning. So again, sound is king. Invest in your sound, invest in your sound, invest in your sound. Because if you invest in good quality sound, you will set yourself apart. What I want you as a new filmmaker to do is I want you to approach this as a business because you are making a product which you are then going to take to market, and you are going to have consumers come in, purchase a ticket, sit down and visually consume that product that you took all of that hard work and time to make. So invest in your product. You're a filmmaker, but more importantly, you are now a business. You are a business person. Please put that in the forefront of your mind. You're a creator. You have talent, but you are now a business if you're doing this for more than a hobby. So again, invest in your sound. Invest in your sound. I'm going to say that one more time because it is so important. Invest in your sound. And again, Congratulations on embarking on an amazing filmmaking journey. Glad to have you as a part of an amazing family. There are going to be some high times, there are going to be some hiccups, but hey, you are absolutely built for this. If you weren't, you would not be doing it. And again, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because we interview some absolutely amazing people in the Hollywood and the independent film space, and you can get some great tips. And while you're at it, go check out a couple of the interviews on the channel. But I'm going to let you know again, before you do anything, make sure you invest in your sound to your success. Peace.